Hey guys, it's Mike Tarallo with Qlik. I wanted to give you a quick rundown of setting up your AI client with Qlik's MCP server. So first thing you do is log into your tenant. My tenant is logged in. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do is log into your AI chat client. In this case, I'm using Claude. Now I'm going to use Claude desktop, but because of the authentication method over the web, I found out it's easier just to authenticate over the web first, because sometimes the redirect doesn't always work right with Claude. So here I have a Google account, and we're going to use this Google account to log in and authenticate with Claude. Okay, now both accounts are authenticated. Okay, so now we're going to switch gears and use Claude desktop. Now you should already be authenticated because earlier we authenticated via the web, and you can see that by the profile icon in the bottom. I'm logged in, select that, choose settings, and then navigate to connectors, and then choose add custom connector. Give it a name. I'm just going to call this Qlik MCP Server, RGB. And then for the remote MCP server URL, you're going to put in the URL that is provided in the documentation. And then under advanced settings for the OAuth client ID, you're going to use the global static client ID created for Claude. We also have one of these created for ChatGPT. For any other AI client, you'll have to create an OAuth entry in the Qlik Cloud system, and you can refer to the documentation to see how to do that. So here I'm just going to paste in the global static client ID that's been created for Claude, and then click Add. Now, since we're already authenticated on our Qlik Cloud tenant and on Claude, if we click Connect, it should probably just do a quick redirect. If not, you'll have to log in, but it should connect you, and you can see that by looking at the Configure button. If you click Configure, you'll have a variety of tool permissions. Have them set to Always Allow. And if you wanted to see the various tools, you can click Expand and Collapse. We'll cover this in another video. But these are basically, think of them as the API calls that are going to be made to the Qlik Cloud tenant when you perform a prompt within the AI client. So at this point now, we're just going to create a new chat. Another step for validation or verification, click the plus icon here and select connectors. And you can validate that your MCP server is set up and enabled. At this time, what we're going to do is now just look at what's available. So what I'm going to do here is now say, search Qlik for available apps I can use. And here it's going to execute that do query. And then here come all the apps that are available in my tenant. Okay, so this is going to at least get you started so you know you're connected. If you wanted to do something fun real quick, I can say, how is my business doing? Please use the sales and order fulfillment app. And then once again, you're going to see the various tools going through the agentic reasoning. And you can see it is pulling in the proper app. This is an app that I use for a lot of my demos and videos that has sales and order analysis information in it. Okay, and here is a business overview. I'm not going to cover this directly because I have covered this in an intro video for Qlik MCP Server, which you can see, which will be linked to where this video is posted as well. Okay, so that's a quick setup of showing you how to get your AI client set up with Qlik's MCP server. In the next few examples, we're going to go through some usage of the different tools and show you how this is used in practice.